Savoury snacks come in many forms, but this one, it's round, it's golden, it's crisp, and it's completely Moorish. If you've ever wondered how to make this munch-worthy snack, then look no further, because today we're making crispy golden onion rings. And here's the ingredients you will need. Onions, self-raising flour, sparkling water, salt, black pepper, ice, sunflower oil. Begin by preparing the onions. Take 2 large brown onions and remove the stem and root using a sharp knife. This makes it easier to peel, which you can do using a small paring knife. Next, cut the onions into 1-inch slices, that's roughly 2.5 centimeters. Press down and the individual rings should just pop out. Next, make the batter. Add flour, a pinch of salt and black pepper into a bowl, followed by sparkling water. Whisk this until it's completely smooth and it should resemble pouring cream consistency. Add in a couple of ice cubes. This helps keep the batter extremely cold, which will make it puff up when it hits that hot oil. You'll need to make some seasoned flour just to dust the onion rings in before dipping into the batter. That just consists of plain flour, salt and black pepper. Now it's time to make the onion rings. Place your onions onto the seasoned flour and move around until they're completely coated. Place a pan of sunflower oil onto the heat. Dip the dusted onion rings into the batter and then back into the seasoned flour. And then back into the batter again before dipping into the hot oil. You'll see the onion ring will float on the surface. Give it 2 minutes and flip it over and give it 2 more minutes. Take out once golden brown. Place onto kitchen paper to absorb the excess oil. That's how we make delicious crisp onion rings here at Pinch of Mint. Stay alert and watch out for the next video.